Here we are focusing on the conditional analysis, and we are going to use the sum if with the ampersand and hour. How we can use this? Here is the simple data. These are hard written simple data, and here is the simple numerical value, and if we total this, the answer is 0 because the negative and the positive values are the same. There isn't any result. Look at this, the sum is 0. Look at this, sum is 0. But if you still want to know that what is the total of the negative value and what is the total of the positive value, you can use this formula. Sum if C6 colon C15 comma lesser than 0, this will give you negative value, and similarly begin with the equal sign your formula, write the function of sum if, then gives the range of this data C6 colon C15 comma greater than 0. So this will give you the value of positive values. So this is how you can use this sum if with ampersand. As we did not use the ampersand here, we will be using this in our next lesson, but we use sum if, and we did that. How can we display if you somehow come across with this kind of calculation which does not give any value? You can still know the value of the negative figures, and you can still know the value of the positive figures. Now look at this, the use of sum if. Here we are going to again and again focuses on the conditional analysis, Ms Excel use of sum if. Here is the data, it is hard written data. So look at this, we are going to write a formula to find out the total of the value which is here, written in the front of this east. We want to know the total of these three east. So how are we going to write this formula? Look at this formula, sum if and the range B5 B14. Look at this, this is written in the blue color, and this side is also selected with the blue colors, which indicate that this range is talking about this blue color. We told Microsoft Excel that in this range locate for the east comma C5 colon C14, which is written in red and indicating this red side, and in this data find out the east side and then get the total. So with the help of this formula, if this side is east, then take the value and total it. The same way, the same formula where we have written for the north, and the same if sum if B5 B14 comma B18. Now look at this, it's a little bit change because here we did not use the cell reference, but we use this hard written east. But here we wrote here north, and then we refer this B18 cell. We tells in this formula to Microsoft Excel to find out in this range this north, and then get the data total. So we can see that there is only 2 north, and the total of these 2 north is here. Next we can use this formula like this. Sum if B5 B14 comma greater than east comma C5 C14. The value which is greater than the value of the east we want it here. So the total of the east was 50, but we can say that this 16, this is the value of this, the total of this data. Only east is left, greater than 16297 is greater than east. The same way we are going to give the reference not equal to. We use this sign for not equal to and B18, not equal to and B18. With this ampersand sign we are going to concatenate this condition from here to here. We tells Microsoft Excel to find out in this range this not equal to condition and this B18, and the B18 is north, so get the data in this range if this condition is satisfying. So this is how we can comparatively analyze our data. And I hope you learned this. If you have any question, please don't forget to ask me about this. And in this next formula, sum north and south, you can see that sum if B5 and B14 comma, we use this question mark to tell Microsoft Excel that take the total of those figures here, those words in which O is used. So we can say that we can see that O is used in south and north. So Microsoft Excel is taking in consideration the total of south and the total of north, because these words are consisting O comma, then we give the range for this. This is how we can analyze our data. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. If you come to my channel, you will find out that I am here, and don't forget to subscribe this professional accounting channel. This is very important, guys, because you know that this subscription is little bit important.